Q service Qwashers, eBay and YouTube. Gx200 6.5 horsepower, 14 litre, 150 bar, flow sensitive unloader, primer frost valve, reduction gearbox. So the pump is only running at 1450. What I've got here, what we're going to do is show you how to use it. So the machine itself, tub filter there, so we've got protection there. Always check that filter there, make sure there's no damage in it. Check that regular. Now we have got a secondary filter which is just down here, the cap underneath, and what you do is take that cap out. So if that ever got damaged inside the tub itself, you've got a secondary filter to protect it. You'll see, like normal, we set this up so any problems, quick release all the way around, but this part here can be taken off and you have to take the whole pumping bits to get to where you want to go to. You've got the dump return, so the system itself is set up for flow and return, which we'll show you in a second or two. So what happens, this water, when you let go of the trigger, will return back down this pipe here. High pressure quick release, so what we'll do is start the machine. So we've got the revs, full revs, machine's got, on the petrol's on this side here, the chokes. We're going to put the choke fully on, okay? And what we're going to do is key start it. Machine's running, rolling up the choke over. You'll see that the machine itself is priming itself up. Once it's primed itself up, the choke's off, you can then close the prime and frost valve. So, now when you let go of the two down, it works to finish. So the slide keeps down and the trigger full. When we let go, it doesn't turn down to there. Now, same as normal, the beauty about these machines, you turn the machine off itself. What you don't have to do is pull the trigger to let the pressure off. At the moment, normal machine, if you've got a trapped unloader, you won't be able to do that with it. You won't be able to do that without pulling the gun first. Zero pressure in the high pressure hose, which we'll show you in a second or two. How this machine is set up, so if you've got a leak on the gun, it will not affect it. So this now, even now it's running, ready to go. There's no pressure in there. So if you've got a leak on the gun, the machine's not going. We're going to make it leak slightly. You can leak all day long without any harm at all. The machine itself, you don't have to change the gun because the gun's leaking. Like an old machine, it's going. This is the leak on the gun. Thank you very much.